Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So today I officially started my small account challenge, right? So if you guys need some context of why I started a small account challenge, there's going to be a link in the description and there might be a little bubble at the top that you could click to actually watch a video so you can get some understanding of why I started a small account challenge. So this is a new platform that I'm using, a new trading platform, a new broker. So this is not my old broker. This is a new one. So I needed to use this one to use to trade in the small, to do the small account challenge. So I'm gonna jump in and show you guys what it is. And by the way, if the quality is not good on this video, please bear with me. I'm using my webcam. I have my camera here, but the battery's not charged. My kids moved my charger, so now I have to go hunting for my charger. But anyways, let's jump in. Let's not waste any time. So the first stock I traded today, which I only traded one stock, was VERU. So I got in at 260 and I got out at no, not 260, 2060, and I got out at 2075. So that was a 15-cent move, right? Nothing wrong with that. And I went with a small size. So today I made realized $8, and plus they took out commission, which left me with $2 and some change. I'm okay with that. This trade today was basically breaking ice. Like I said, I'm not fully comfortable as yet with this platform. You guys know my old platform based on my videos that I usually trade on or what I upload, but this is totally different. Totally different. And I'm trying to get used to it. I'm gonna get used to it in due time, but so far I'm doing well. I also made my hotkeys and stuff like that, and I need to test those out to see if they actually work. So, like I said, it's a whole process, and I basically opened this account last week. But anyway, so I traded Veru, VERU, and I was a little bit upset because I woke up late this morning. I woke up at 10:30, and by the time I woke up, like the whole moves in majority of the stocks that I was looking at basically made great moves. This was 10:30, and 10:30 basically all the move was basically kind of done right here 10:30, and it came back down, and I finally decided to take a trade in Vero right here. So one of the thing I need to, I always say it, and I'm working on it. I need to get to a T, is to get in on a better entry, right? I was waiting for this to go higher, but I should have waited a little bit longer so I could get the best entry. Let's see if you guys can see. I got in here. The best entry would have been even down here. And I know sometime when you do get in stocks, the stocks sometimes do retrace back a little bit and then finally go forward. And this is what it did, but I want to start getting in on good entries. It don't have to be 100%, on point, but if even 80% on point, I'll be perfectly fine. But anyways, I got in here. It came back down, and it came down a little bit, and I wasn't panicking. The reason why I wasn't panicking is because I know there was some support down here, so I was looking for it to bounce either way, right? And then finally, it actually did bounce, and it kept going up, and it had some issues up here. Then it retraced a little bit, and then it went higher, and it went straight to around 70, like 2070. And when it hit 2070, I seen a big seller. There was a, how much? I think it was a $14,000 share size seller at, I think it was 2080. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna bail out because I don't know if it's gonna basically, eat it up, or people, buyers gonna actually buy up all that share size. And as you can see, I sold right here at 2075, and I made the right decision because on the next 5-minute candle, it started to fail and it's continuing to fail. So I made the right decision. If I would have like held it, I would have basically got smoked and came back down to either breaking even or in the negatives, right? So that was the only trade I took, is VERU, and I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades because at the end of the day, I'm not trying to rack up too much commission fees, and I don't want to overtrade or overstay my welcome. The whole point is to slowly grow this account, and each day I make money, the account is gonna get bigger and bigger. So far I made, $2 after commission. Green is green. It is what it is, and I'm okay with it. And tomorrow, hopefully, I'll wake up early. Matter of fact, I'm gonna set my alarm to wake up early so I can actually get up and trade, right? So that's really it, guys. Also, moving forward, I'm going to be uploading some of my videos, my live videos on my Patreon, and from time to time I will be uploading some of my free videos of me actually trading live on YouTube. But for now, I will be uploading my videos on Patreon. So if you're interested in seeing my live videos or even coming to watch me trade live in person, then you could join my Patreon. No force, it's up to you. Make that decision. The reason why I love what I do. I love trading stocks. I eat, sleep, dream. I ride bicycles, flying kites, thinking about stocks, you know. And that's one of the reasons I even woke up late this morning, is because I went to bed around what, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, studying the charts. So I'm very dedicated with what I do, and this is all fun for me. So thank you guys for tuning in. Today's the first day. Made $2. I'm perfectly fine. Green is green. It's $2 extra that I had, than before. So thanks for tuning in. Tomorrow I will be trading again. Thanks again. I know I said that. It's Key Life Trading. I'm out.